Oil filter. We need to clean the oil.
That's right. The oil filter takes out small particles in the oil such as dirt and metal particles. And the oil pump delivers this clean oil to each part of the engine.
It is equipped with such a smart feature.
Now, let's take a look at the inside of the oil filter. Can you see the paper folded in layers inside? This thing catches the dirt and oil.
So the dirt is removed when the oil goes through the thing called element.
Yes, however, it gets old and doesn't catch the dirt well when you use it too long.
That means, dirty oil keeps circulating in the engine.
You are right. Even tiny dirt could be harmful to engine, so you need to change it regularly.
Yes, sir. I will change it in order to protect the engine.
We strongly recommend using Honda genuine parts for replacement. Honda genuine parts are manufactured with the same level of strict quality control as Honda vehicles, and the performance is balanced at an extremely high level. If you are not sure about the oil filter, just stop by Honda dealer and ask them.